Just to remind you that we're also dealing with XP Detectors, the French company for normal detectors as a VLF detectors. We just have also new Deus II available on stock with all the sizes. Now it's also brand new, different coils, the FMF coils, the multi-frequency coils also available in 28 centimeter or in 22.5. It's coming actually like this with the coil and plus one extra stick. We have all the spare parts from XP detectors available, also the MI6, also the MI4 we have, Deus II, all the models as we mentioned, and now finally also we are launching the new headphones, the WSA2 for Deus II is the new headphones, also now available on stock. It's look like this. It's coming with a nice bag. This is the last word of the extra large headphones that XP just launched a few weeks ago. Yes, you can log in to our website and find all the details and all the products available for free shipping on stock.